into the mirror, but I don't like what I see. A war behind these eyes, no one else can set me free. I wear 1,000 masks, but none can hide the truth. The hardest fight I've ever known is me against my youth. I've run from shadows I create, built walls I now can't navigate. I'm my own worst enemy, the voice that always doubts me, chained by all my history and fears that try to drown me. No sword, no flame, no battlefield could ever make me bleed like this. I'm fighting ghosts inside of me. I'm my own worst enemy. They say the past is gone, but it haunts me every night. Mistakes replay like thunder in the silence of the light. I sabotage my dreams before they even start, waging war without a weapon, just a weary heart. Tearing down what I could be with every thought that whispers leave. I'm my own worst enemy, the voice that always doubts me, chained by all my history and fears that try to drown me. No sword, no flame, no battlefield could ever make me bleed like this. I'm fighting ghosts inside of me. I'm my own worst enemy. But maybe there's a way to heal, to face the storm and start to feel that I can be more than this pain. Rewrite the lines inside my brain. I've been my own worst enemy, but I can learn to set me free. Break the chains of memory.